What's up, everybody? This is Dr. Nick with Leverage Media, and today I want to talk to you about the 3 ways that chiropractors can get the most out of utilizing Instagram Reels. So Instagram Reels, along with TikTok and YouTube Shorts, have really grown in organic reach and virality over the last probably year or two. And Meta has even stated that most of the growth that they see in terms of engagement and views on their platform, whether it be Facebook or Instagram, are coming from the Reels product. So wherever they're getting the most engagement and views, they're going to be pushing more and more. They've been recently doing testing in the Instagram feed and the Facebook feed that may start to look more like a TikTok feed, where there are the full screen videos. So basically everything is moving towards that type of 60 seconds and below short form type of content, and especially on Instagram, the Reels product has been getting the most reach in terms of showing your content to new people and to showing it to the audience that you've already built. Whereas if you just post something, say on like IGTV or the Instagram feed itself, it's going to be pretty limited in terms of its organic reach. So with Instagram Reels, it gives you that opportunity to start to expand outside of just the people that follow you and not have to pay for that ad spend. So let's talk about the 3 different ways that you can get the most out of that. The first way is to watch for trends on TikTok. So because people are able to utilize their TikTok videos on their Instagram feed and make Instagram Reels out of them, a lot of the focus goes first into TikTok. And so what happens is something will go viral or really catch on or become a trend on TikTok first, and then it'll start to move into Instagram because more and more people will start to share those TikToks into the Instagram feed, and then more organic Instagram Reels will start to get created around that. So when you are, especially if you're trying to build a national audience, if you're trying to build a local audience, this may be not as important, even though it can be useful, even at a local level, because the same people that like these things at a national level also like them at a local level. But if you're really trying to ride the wave of popularity and catch on to trends, always look to TikTok first, because that's where it's going to start to break initially. The second way is to really focus on the type of content that is going to do well, especially in short time frames. And this is going to be mainly adjusting and demonstration videos. So whether it's showing adjustments on a certain type of population, whether it's an athlete or a kid or a pregnant woman, or if it's maybe extremity adjusting or just full body adjustments, look for ways that you can demonstrate things in quick bursts. Whether it's equipment in your office or your protocol through a particular type of injury. So always try to be showing as much as possible. The less you're talking, the better off you're going to be. And then third is follow other chiropractors that you think are creating great content on really any social media, but especially on Instagram Reels and on TikTok. The nice part about being chiropractors is, the vast majority, 99.9% of the chiropractors out there, you are not competitive with. So being able to use those accounts as inspiration, I think that everybody can kind of share with one another. So look for people that practice the way that you do. If you only see babies and moms, and you've got a family-based practice, then maybe the Y-strap adjustments with girls in sports bras aren't the right accounts for you to be following. But following those people and finding those accounts that have lots of followers that also fit in with the philosophy that you have in your own practice. So when you're doing, look for popular hashtags, or I guess you could search for like just terms themselves. But look for hashtags that are popular amongst chiropractic offices, and try to find the ones that have bigger audiences, because that means they've been creating content that people have liked, they've started to follow, they usually create consistent content, and that'll give you some ideas and some inspiration for the content that you can create. So hopefully this has been helpful. You know, again, Instagram Reels along with TikTok are the two areas that are getting the most free organic reach right now. So the more that you can be consistent on posting there, and the more that it can fit within what people are used to seeing and like consuming and like engaging with, the more successful you'll be. So hopefully this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.